Okay, quick recap. I literally shot the first part of this video yesterday at the park, but I was having trouble with the stove. I watched Dom's video again this morning, and I realized what I was doing, so let me show you. Okay, real quick, couple things I did. One is I dug out my Hidden Woodsman bush pot bag, and I got my funnel and my fuel, and then I just dropped the stove right on top. So that's that. Because I had commented yesterday that I was having a little trouble with the fuel because I had to pour it in from the can, which is not the good way of doing it. So I got my little funnel here. I think this is just a Coleman's funnel. I can actually correctly put fuel in. By the way, don't try filling it from this side like I tried to do this morning. It was disastrous. It was funny, but it was disastrous. Should be enough. So, set that aside. Also, I realized watching Dom's video, hang on. Okay, so from watching his video, give this a few turns outward. The valve is still closed, but what I did is I didn't, you were supposed to turn this to the left, and then, you guys are probably the wrong angle, and then put your finger over the hole here, which I didn't do, and then pump it up. And then turn it to the right to shut it. And I got my valve here, which I'll turn. Hope this doesn't. I hear it doing something. There we go. I had to give it a few minutes to heat up or prime. I guess that's not tall enough. Let me bring it up so you can see it. Wait, that one little detail I missed. Now she seems to be working properly. And actually working. And we'll do a cup of hot chocolate, which is what I was going to do yesterday. It's a little breezy today too, so well, if anything, it's got a higher flame than yesterday too. Alright. Yeah, I think I may have said Coleman funnel. It's actually a Coleman's, so that was my mistake. I'm really digging this stove. It's really cool. Now that I've actually got it working, I just had to go back and rewatch the video, but found my windscreen, although it's a little too short. Because for Trangia, it's great because Trangias are down here, but this thing is so much taller. But what are you gonna do? As the blend has kind of died down. Look at ourselves pretty boil. And a plane taking off. And smoke in the eyes. See if we can actually turn this off. Sweet. We got ourselves a pretty boil. I was just watching Shug's video yesterday. He's so cool. And we got a little floaty bit. A little extra flavor. Floaty bit's determined to stay in there. Well, I guess I'm drinking the floaty bit. All my efforts were in vain. Oh man. Alright, well, cheers. Hope that floaty bit is not an alien egg. Well, I don't want a chest burster, that would suck. So no spaghetti for a while. Yeah, just hot chocolate. A little bonus marshmallows too. Forgot they were in there. And that's hot, wow. Anyway, I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Dom's channel, which I'll link in the description. And yeah, cheers one and all. Have a good one.